I'm about to show you the easiest way to master the crochet wattle stitch. And if you crochet your swatch in cotton yarn, you will end up with a beautiful dishcloth. This stitch also has the most wonderful texture, making it a great choice for baby blankets. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using a 4mm hook and some double knit yarn. The written pattern does include instructions for using Aran or worsted or fingering 4-ply yarn. So I'm going to make a small swatch here to show you how to crochet the wattle stitch. I'm going to start off with a slip knot on my hook, and then you need to chain a multiple of 3 plus 2. 44 is a good amount for a dishcloth. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 extra stitches. So to start off, we're going to put a single crochet in the third chain from hooks. That's 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in there, chain 1, and then a double crochet in the same stitch. We're next going to skip the next 2 stitches and put a single crochet in the following stitch, chain 1, and double crochet. And we're going to repeat this across until we get to the last 2 stitches. Then we're going to skip 1 and finish off with a half double crochet in that last stitch. We will then chain 1 and turn our work. Now from now on, we're going to be working into the chain spaces instead of into the tops of the stitches. So you've got the double crochet here and the single crochet, and then the chain 1 just there, and in the middle, that's where we're going to go next. So we'll put a single crochet in that chain space, chain 1, double crochet, and then we look for the next chain space, put a single crochet in there, chain 1, double crochet, and we're going to repeat this across until we get to the last group of stitches at the end. You'll finish with a single crochet in that chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet, and then a half double crochet into that chain 1 from the beginning. Now that last row you can just repeat as many times as you need to get your project as long as you want it to be. Now if you want to change colour, you want to do that before your last step on the last stitch. So I'll just pull that out, that last half double crochet. So what you will do is you will yarn over, you will put your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then instead of yarning over and pulling through all 3 to finish off that half double crochet, you'll pick up your next colour and finish the stitch off with that colour. And then chain 1 and turn, and then continue with single crochet in the next space, chain 1, double crochet, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, double crochet, and so on. So I've worked another row, and I'm just going to show you how you can carry the yarn up the side of the work if you're doing stripes of 2 colours. So we're going to change colour again, yarn over, hook into the stitch, and then I'm just going to drop the current colour and pick up the new colour, yarn over, and finish off that half double crochet with the new colour, chain 1 and turn. And you can just keep doing that, swapping colours every couple of rows. If you're working with more than 2 colours, I recommend you fasten off after each row, otherwise the edges can get quite bulky. If you need any more details or information, be sure to check out the accompanying blog post, and if you like this video, then why not check out my stitch tutorial playlist right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.